Does your iPhone sometimes say out loud the name or number of the person calling you? Right when you least expect it? Whether you're in public, at work, or simply value your privacy, this feature can quickly become annoying. Luckily, there's a simple way to turn it off. In this video, I'll walk you through the settings step by step so you can disable the announce calls option and take back control over when and how your phone speaks. So, the first thing you need to do is find and open your settings. Once you're in settings, scroll all the way down. At the very bottom of the screen, you'll see the Apps section. Tap on it. In the Apps section, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now scroll down and look for the Phone app. Once you find it, tap to open it. Inside the phone settings, you'll see a bunch of different options. Look for the one that says Announce Calls and tap on it. Now, on this screen, you'll see 4 different options. If you want to completely disable this feature, just select Never. And that's it. Your iPhone will no longer say out loud the name or number of the person calling you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.